Today, I'm going to show you how to create an expense in Expensify. Have you ever been on a business trip and not been able to keep track of your expenses? Or maybe you're a freelancer and you need to track your expenses for tax purposes. If so, then Expensify is the perfect tool for you. Expensify is a cloud-based expense management platform that makes it easy to track your expenses and get reimbursed. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an expense in Expensify, including how to add receipts and categorize your expenses. Step 1. Sign up for Expensify. If you don't already have an Expensify account, you'll need to sign up for one. This is free and easy to do. Step 2. Add a receipt. Once you're logged in, click on the New Expense button. This will open a new window where you can add a receipt. Step 3. Take a picture of your receipt. You can either upload a picture of your receipt or take a new one with your phone's camera. Step 4. Categorize your expense. Once you've added your receipt, you'll need to categorize it. This will help Expensify to automatically track your expenses and generate reports. Step 5. Submit your expense. Once you've categorized your expense, you can submit it for approval. Your manager will then review your expense and approve it if it is valid. Additional tips. You can add multiple receipts to an expense. You can attach notes to your expenses to provide additional information. You can use Expensify to track your personal expenses as well as your business expenses. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.